How to delete your watch history on TikTok. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets TikTok tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you not only how to find and view your watch history on TikTok, but I'm also going to show you how to delete your entire watch history on TikTok. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so in order to delete our TikTok watch history, the first thing we need to do is open up the TikTok app on our iPhone or Android phone, then navigate to your TikTok profile by selecting Profile in the bottom right of the app. Once you get to your TikTok profile, open the menu by selecting the three horizontal lines in the top right of the app. Then in the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Once we're in Settings and Privacy, scroll down under Content and Display and select Activity Center. Once in Activity Center, select Watch History, and this will allow you to view your entire watch history on TikTok. From here, we can delete specific videos from our watch history or our entire watch history on TikTok by choosing Select up in the top right. Then you can either select individual videos to be deleted or your entire watch history by selecting Select All Watch History in the bottom left. I'm just going to delete a couple. From there, simply select Delete, then confirm you want to permanently delete these videos from your watch history. And there you go. You have now deleted your watch history on TikTok. All right, so that's how you delete your watch history on TikTok. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more TikTok tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.